Time to start the harvest. Look at that one. Wahoo! Look at me! Almost. Got it. Yes! Oh, fantastic! Oh! That's perfect! Yes!
Hard work pays off.
Keep up, everyone. We're almost there. Quack, quack, quack. Look, over there. It's the giant. Quack, quack.
It is a monster.
Almost there. Whoa, that was close. 2 giants for the price of 1. Look out, little pig. The avocado. Watch out. Phew.
Look at these. I think they're perfect. Snack time for everyone. Oh, ow!
Why is your face green? I don't know. Oh no! It broke! Wow! Are these? Wow! Wow, look at that! This is hilarious! I guess they were babies. Babies? Almost done. Perfect. Good as new. Beep, beep. Quack, quack, quack. Wow. Oh, big. Pull hard, raccoon. It's not holding. We have to get it to the town square. Ah, yes. I got it.
Good job!
Come on! Move! Stuck!
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Stop! Look out!
Quack, 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 quack!
Whew, that was close. Are you guys okay?
What? Where did that come from? I'll wear this. Ready to work. Giggles.
Wow, look at that peach shine.
Come on! Hold on! I'm trying. Don't fall. Almost lost it. Had to work fast.
That was close. Nice save.
Keep pushing. Almost there. We can do it.
All right, time to focus. They got this.
Wow, look at that.
Now, pull. 1, 2, 3. Heave. Got it. All right, hook it up.
So good after a long day. I feel so relaxed here. That's a huge mango. Yeah! Yay! A perfect catch! Okay, here comes the second one. Great job, squirrel. Right into the bat.
Hello there. What have you brought me?
Yes! Oh, they're safe. They're all safe. Chirp, chirp.
Welcome, welcome, my friend. Glad you could make it. Hello. It's beautiful here.
Almost there.
Woo!
Perfect. Good as new.
Squish. Squish. Delicious. Squish. Woohoo!
All right. Almost there. Perfect. All ready for the journey.
Perfect. They look so pretty. They are so tiny and bright.